Welcome, Cooking with Richie. I'm Richie. Before I start doing my next cooking project, I want to do a shout out to someone on TikTok who I really got inspired. This is Ellie. This is the vegan bunny chef. One thing that I've always seen her use and I don't have is a specific knife, and I want to show you. This girl is amazing. Cooking tofu, yum. Ready? That knife. Ooh, oh, I want that knife. Oh, ew. Okay, I saw the type of knife that she was using and I bought it. Well, not that one in particular, but it's in here. This is the stupid ass knife that I use. It is horrible. It is. Let's open it up and find out what it looks like. Oh, ooh, I like the handle. This is it. Holy shit, that's sharp. Look, this is my new knife. Thank you, Vegan Bunny Chef. Not only did I get a new knife, I also bought a pan. I got this and I got this. You go away. The other one I like on TikTok, I follow this guy.
You've been cooking your shrimp wrong your entire life. Don't fuck it up.
I love that guy. He's hilarious. Those two are probably like two of the top 5 I really enjoy watching the most. So I will try not to fuck up my recipes. Anyways, there you go. Get that out of the way. Today I am making an Italian seafood dish. It's going to be with fettuccine in a heavy cream sauce with Parmesan, garlic, organic parsley. My seafood will be, what's this thing? The shrimp, bacon wrapped scallops. And I ended up getting baby whole clams by Bumblebee. I was at my grocery store and the clams just did not look healthy to me. So a little bit of white wine. Actually, if I have an onion, I actually might throw a little bit of onion in there too. Just to make it really like pop. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Time to do some plating. So what you do, first we do some of the fettuccine. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some scallops on. 3, 4, 5 scallops. Like that. Top. Angel, cut the shit. You're ruining my video. Sorry. A little bit of parsley, garnish. All right, this is the final product. You've got the fettuccine, you've got it in a heavy cream sauce, you've got the shrimp, the clams, and you've got bacon wrapped scallops. With garlic and onions, and I put red peppers in there. to do now is try it. This is with the shrimp. That was a 10 out of 10. And here's one with a little bit of, here's some with a little scallop. What do you think? Oh. Look away. Just a perfect combination of everything. And you know what I like the most? The red peppers they put in. Oh my God, the red peppers are good. Oh my God, this is the clams, the shrimp, the fettuccine. Oh my God. This has got to be the best thing that I have made in this kitchen so far. I don't know what to say. This is it. This is so good. The bacon wrap scallops. You can still see the steam coming off. I made this. Write it down. Make this. Enjoy it. An explosion of taste in your mouth. Listen, I gotta go. But listen, thank you very much for joining me again. I really appreciate it. Watch my other videos and stay tuned for some more. I've got a lot more videos like this coming up. I love you all. Thank you. Good night.